Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Scheme Someone Monday, feeling hurt. Those who retaliate against those who are trying to bring him down. Pax's progress angers his enemy. Pretty realizes that her efforts for a difficult client were in vain. On Tuesday, Kwezi and Nkosi's relationship is on the brink of collapse. Pax pushes himself too hard and ends up hating himself. Lehasa is surprised by an unexpected visitor. On Wednesday, Peterson asks Lehasa to testify against Kwezi. Melida hits a dead end with getting her patient off the ground. Father is offended when Lehasa offers him a job as a dishwasher. On Thursday, father threatens to harm Lehasa's wife. Melita demands Mr. Homer to reimburse her for the money she spent on a private investigator to search for IV. On Friday, Pomolo steps in ready to handle father by any means possible. Someone flips the script on Nkosi and Kwezi. The pressure spikes. Melita's longing for something bigger leads her into unexpected territory. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye.